Starting off with the Ground Rod Dawg from iTool Co. It's a handy tool that stands at 11 3/4 inches tall, 2 3/4 inches wide, and 5 inches long, tipping the scales at 4 pounds. This little champion is expertly engineered to drive ground rods precisely and effortlessly. The potential of this tool cannot be overstated. It's designed to make your ground rod driving tasks a breeze, enhancing your on-site productivity. So if you're on the lookout for a groundbreaking tool to expedite your work, look no further than the Ground Rod Dawg. Next, we have the Zonzini Stair Climber Buddy Lift Plasmoid. It's not just a typical stair climber, it's a game changer for goods transportation. Specifically designed for efficient and safe transportation of goods, it can power through with a lifting capacity of 440 pounds and a speed of 47 steps per minute. If steep inclines are a challenge, Zonzini also has the Domino Plasmoid and Skipper Plasmoid models that can take on a maximum inclination of 45 degrees. They are strategically created to make material handling in multi-level environments easy and hassle-free. Now, we're turning our attention to the tough-built Shockstop Hammer. This is a tool that's much more than your standard hammer. It's a 20-ounce milled face steel head marvel, equipped with the cutting-edge Shockstop technology. Crafted with a precision-forged and tempered steel head, it offers strength and resilience like no other. Thanks to the high-velocity design, it packs a punch, while its larger face lessens the chances of missing your target. Here's an interesting feature. The handle is rubber over-molded, which means it curbs vibrations and ensures grip stability. The magnetic nail starter is a neat addition for accurate nail placement. If you're aiming for longevity and fatigue reduction in your tools, the tough-built Shockstop Hammer is a worthy contender to add to your collection. Up next, we have the Riveting Hand Riveter by Tolsen Tools. This device features a durable and labor-saving design, promising to reduce your effort by over 40%. Ensuring comfort during extended use, the hand riveter also features ergonomic handles with TPR grips for a comfortable but firm hold. But don't let its comfort fool you. This tool packs a punch. Its versatility is proven with 3 alloy steel jaws, offering a hardness rating between 58 to 62 on the Rockwell scale. It also comes with an adjustable maximum working stroke of 7 millimeters, allowing you to tailor its usage to your specific needs. Whether you're working with steel or stainless steel rivets, the Hand Riveter by Tolsen Tools proves to be a reliable partner. The Clipfix 2.0 system by Rheinzink is up next. It's a system that is known for its innovation, offering a robust solution for all your standing seam fixing needs. The system has been upgraded recently, enhancing both its handling and application. It comes with a package that includes everything you need for a secure installation: high-grade stainless steel fixing clips, corrosion-resistant screws, and a magazine screwdriver. One of the main features that make this system a top choice is its versatility. It is compatible with both fixed and sliding clips and offers a range of options for different underlays. Furthermore, it's compatible with the first-generation system, thus making it a sensible and practical option for those wanting to upgrade. Now let's check out the Deck Pro by NKT Fasteners. It's a hidden fastening system that not only provides a clean finish to your decking, but also ensures it's bereft of any protruding screws, making it friendly for barefoot use. This robust and sturdy tool can hold up to 100 kilograms of direct load, showing its strength. Precision is key with the Deck Pro tool, as the screws come to a halt at the exact depth required, and the integral spacers ensure uniform board spacing. 2 variants of Deck Pro screws are available for you to consider. One features a superior surface treatment and hardened steel, while the other is composed of acid-resistant stainless steel that ensures longevity even in tough conditions. Next, we introduce the Electric Drill Refitting Plate Cutter, a versatile tool that morphs your conventional drill into a powerful cutting machine. This tool is masterfully engineered to integrate with your drill, amplifying its functionality and empowering you to slice through an array of materials effortlessly. The electric drill refitting plate cutter is the ideal companion for both DIY enthusiasts and seasoned professionals, offering an economical solution for cutting tasks. Regardless if you're embarking on a home improvement project or a professional assignment, this tool will enable you to attain precise and clean cuts. Let's delve further into the PRO R19 HammerTacker. This robust tool is a marvel of engineering, created for an array of fastening tasks including carpeting, insulation, roofing, and much more. The PRO R19 HammerTacker isn't just durable, it also boasts high capacity. The bottom-loading staple magazine is designed to hold more staples, reducing the frequency of reloading and enhancing your efficiency on the job. But what sets this tool apart is the sheer power and how well it delivers. Every hit, every staple is driven with an accuracy that makes it an optimal choice for effective work. Overall, the PRO R19 HammerTacker is a tool that exemplifies excellence in design, performance, and user satisfaction. Next, we turn our spotlight onto the adjustable hole saw by Wolfcraft. Crafted to offer precision and control, this tool can cut through various materials such as wood, plasterboard, plastics, and even non-ferrous metals. It comes with an innovative adjustable feature, allowing users to alter the size of the hole they're cutting, a feature that gives it a superior edge over standard hole saws. But that's not all. The Wolfcraft adjustable hole saw is also designed for ergonomic comfort. Thanks to its durable construction and a convenient grip handle, you'll be cutting holes with steady hands and utmost precision. Up next is the Makita 18V LXT cordless multi-surface scanner. This advanced scanner is a go-to tool for professionals who require a high-performance scanner to identify objects embedded for numerous material types, whether it's wood, metal, plastic, or shielded electrical wire. The scanner's diverse modes allow it to adjust to your needs, guided by a laser lit by an LED light. It's built to be resilient and withstand the pressures of any job site. Beyond its durability, this scanner is part of Makita's 18V LXT system and is powered by rapidly charging lithium-ion batteries. It also comes equipped with star protection computer controls, enhancing its performance and prolonging its battery life. Now, let's look at the Lockjaw ladder grip. This brilliant safety tool is designed to swiftly anchor ladders to gutters. It's not only a measure to prevent mishaps, but also enhances efficiency, making it a dual benefit for regular users. The Lockjaw ladder grip is engineered with a patented adjustable jaw mechanism, ensuring a firm each time. Constructed from high-quality materials, it promises longevity and dependable performance. Users have been full of praise for its efficacy and simplicity, highlighting how this tool has been pivotal in avoiding ladder-related incidents. It's a must-have for those aiming to enhance ladder safety and efficiency. Moving forward, we introduce the Kreg panel carrier. It's the perfect tool for transporting sheets for different kinds of projects. This essential device is a revolution for those who consistently work with full-size sheets like plywood or large panels. It comes with expansive pads coated with Kreg Grip Max, ensuring a strong grip without causing any harm to the material. The ergonomic handle, furnished with sturdy padding, simplifies the task of carrying these weighty materials. And here's the clincher. It can automatically adjust to material thickness up to 3/4 of an inch. In essence, the Kreg panel carrier is the ultimate tool for transport of sheets, presenting both convenience and safety. Now, we have the RUNPOTEC Cable Guide Roller. It's an efficient tool specifically designed for guiding cables through shaft inlets or outlets. With a roller diameter of 130 millimeters, it has the capacity to your heaviest cable guiding tasks smoothly. The roller possesses numerous benefits, all backed up by intricate technical data. It not only ensures a seamless passage for cables, but also friction and stops any potential cable damage during its installation. This compact tool makes significant impact in the realm of cable management by guaranteeing efficiency and ease of use.